Do you know what it means to optimize something? That's when you set it up for success. Anything that you can control in advance, you have set it up so that it is more likely to succeed, to accomplish its goal than not. There's a way to optimize your Facebook accounts so that it is more likely to draw customers and clients and sales and team members to you. Many of you do not have these settings set up properly, and they are very simple to do. And some of them aren't even settings. It's just the state of your account. So I want to show you because it really is important, and it is something that you can change right away, and you should change it right away. I'm Michelle Fox from Boss Babes Online and Boss Babe Academy, and I've been in direct sales for 25 years. I have expanded online the last 5 to 7 years, and I really understand the importance of utilizing social media to build your business. Number one, it's free. I want to show you a Facebook example, and this is a personal profile, and I'm going to show you several missed opportunities. So in other words, it is not optimized. It is actually the opposite of that, okay? Before we look at it, let's imagine this. Let's imagine that you've been in your direct sales business for a little while. Someone who knows you says to another friend, "Oh, you need to talk to my friend Michelle. She can hook you up with that because she sells that. She is a representative for that company." So that person is there's no such thing as a phone book anymore. So how do they look you up? Typically, Facebook. So they look you up on Facebook and they're expecting to see either a picture of you or something about that business or a way to go to your website to look for that product that they're interested in, something, okay? But this is what they see, okay? Let's just pause and reflect here. So this is an account that I created just for training purposes. Jane Doe. What does Jane Doe do? We have no idea. Have we found the right Jane Doe? We have no idea. Can I see what she sells or if I can find that product that I'm looking for? Not that I can see. Oh, here's a little something. That is giving me kind of a weird vibe. That's kind of a negative thing. So far, I'm not seeing anything professional. I'm not finding a way to reach out to her. I don't even see where I can friend request her. And I know that she won't accept a message from me if we're not friends. So I can't message her. I can't I can't friend request her. I don't see a way to click on a website or order from her, and I don't have her email address. I don't have her phone number. So I have nothing. So there's no way that even though, a friend referred me to this person for a specific product, I'm like ready to buy. I'm not going to buy from Jane Doe because she is not only not optimized, she has blocked this opportunity. Do you see why I feel that way? Let's compare that to how one is set up that is optimized. Someone says, "Oh, you can get that from Michelle Fox." So they go to Michelle Fox and they see, okay, well, this must be the right one. Why? Well, it looks pretty professional, doesn't it? And if you scroll down, I've got a whole bunch of social media profiles and I've got a website where she can look for that product or service. I'm offering a free resource. So now I'm really drawing that person in. They looked me up because they wanted to buy a certain product, but now they're seeing, oh, she's more than that. She doesn't only sell X product, but she's also got all this other stuff going on. I want to click on this website and find out more. I want to get this free resource. They look over here, and do I have personal posts? I do, but are they borderline offensive? Am I negative? Am I talking about politics or religion or anything that's going to alienate anybody? No, I'm not. So these are things about my life because I want them to have a warm fuzzy about me. I want them to get a sense of who I am and my humor and my family and my background. But I don't want to make them less likely to want to do business with me by posting something that's going to make them uncomfortable. So this is my personal profile. You can tell it's not my business page. I'm not talking about business over here. And yet I look like a professional because of my banner, because of my professional profile picture where I'm looking at them and smiling. It's not a picture of flowers or my dog or anything else. It's a picture of me. I'm telling them right here in my banner that yes, I am the beauty expert that they are looking for. And I'm giving them lots of different places where they can contact me. Maybe they're not super familiar with Facebook. Maybe it's a younger person, but they would love to reach out to me on TikTok. They can do that. Or Instagram. They can do that. Most importantly, they can add me as a friend. They can follow me and they can message me. All of these are ready to go. If when someone looks at your account, all right, let me back it up. Let me say it like this. I have had people say to me, could you take a look at my page because I'm not sure that this is working, or I'm not sure I'm doing this right, or, I want you to look at my latest post, something like that. And so I go to their personal profile and I can't see any of their posts because we're not friends yet. I can't friend request them because they have limited it so that only friends of their friends can friend request them. And I'm in Michigan. Maybe this person's in New York or something. We have no people in common. So I don't have friends of her friends. I'm not friends with friends of her friends. So I can't message her. I can't friend request her. I can't see her posts. There's nothing over here to send me to another place, another platform or a website. There's nothing that indicates what she does, what she's all about. I can't even see her eyeballs. I can't see her face. Can you see how those are like clear missed opportunities, night and day, like such a huge difference? Go to your personal profile. Make sure that your banner looks professional, and you can keep it very simple, just a plain background, and just put a statement on there of what you do, who you are, what you're about, something of that nature. It's called a business statement. Make sure that your profile picture is of you and that you are smiling and that you look really good, whatever it takes for you to feel like you look your best, hair, makeup, outfit, that you look like the person that you want to represent your business. Make sure that underneath your bio, where it says intro, that you are either saying a little something about who you are and what you do, or you're providing a website, a link to go to your website, or you're inviting them to your business page, or you're inviting them to your private group, something where you're bringing them in. You want to make sure that you can accept friend requests from everybody. That one is so important. We're going to do that together. Okay. Let me show you this one more time. So when you go to this upper right corner and click on the picture, make sure that you're in your personal profile. And then you want to go to settings and privacy, we'll go to privacy center. And let's see, we want to look for privacy in Facebook. I know it's more complicated than it should be. We want to manage this account. Continue. All right. Can I move this over there? I don't think I can. I'm going to have to shift screens. Hold on a second. Stop that one. Add this one. Share screen. This one, my entire screen. This one. Share it. And this. All right. So settings and privacy. Who can send you friend requests? It is very likely that you have this chosen, friends of friends. Get rid of that. You want to have everyone. Okay. That is so important. If you don't take anything else away from this lesson, take that, because I cannot tell you how frustrated I am when, like I said, someone asks me to look at their profile or give them feedback or check a post or something. And I'm like, well, I can't see your post and I can't friend request you and I can't send you a message. And you're in business, like you're in sales. This does not compute. When you choose to have a business in sales, you are basically opening up your life to the public, whether you like it or not. If you feel like you don't want people contacting you, I hear this a lot, okay? I don't want strangers reaching out to me. I don't want somebody that I don't know friend requesting me. I don't want to get messages in Messenger. Then don't attempt to use Facebook to build your business at all. You can't have both. You can't have it both ways. That's what I'm seeing. People say, like, I've got a business page, I've got a private group set up for my customers, but nothing's really happening. Nobody sees my posts. Nobody, blah, 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 blah. And then I start at the very beginning, which is your personal profile, and I see all of these roadblocks. Fix that, okay? The path should be this. You want to draw people in your personal world so that they can get to know, like, and trust you. You want that optimized. You want your personal profile optimized, and you want to be able to receive friend requests and messages, and you want them to see your face, and you want to look professional, and you want them to be able to contact or connect with whatever it is that you sell. If you want them to go to a website or whatever. That is the beginning, okay? And then hopefully you can invite them to like your business page, and from your business page, you can invite them to your private group. And in your private group, you can finesse all of the benefits of what you sell or do. But where does it all start? It starts with your personal profile. I cannot stress this enough. If they don't know who you are, what you do, and how to get a hold of you for your business, don't bother. Okay. Don't think that you're using Facebook as a means to expand your business when you've got all of those roadblocks set up. It doesn't make any sense. And most of you have them set up incorrectly and you don't even know it. So that is what this is about. It is a problem. You want to fix it. It's an easy fix. And when you get things optimized, when you have it set up so that they do see you as a professional in your field, where they can reach out to you and message you, it's going to just flip the switch. It's going to just flip the narrative and make such a big difference. If this is wetting your whistle at all, I've got an entire course mapped out on Facebook. Like, this is what we need to do with your personal profile. This is what we need to do with your business page, with your private group. This is how we're going to do video. If you are interested in step-by-step instructions on how to optimize Facebook, which, let's pause, 3 billion people have accounts on Facebook. Whether you love it or you're indifferent or you hate it, it is a way to expand your business, and it is free. It is free. That's probably my favorite part of the whole thing. So your homework is to get a banner that shows that you are a professional in your field. Get a picture that shows you smiling, looking at the camera, looking your absolute best. Add links wherever you want them to go. If you want them to shop with you, if you want them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, if you want to offer them a freebie, if you want them to check out your business page, if you want them to join your private group, have a link so they can go from where they are to that next step. What is the next logical step in their path from, getting to know you to becoming a customer? Where should they go next? There has to be a next step available to them. Can they tell at a glance that you are a professional in your field, what that field is, and how to get a hold of you? If those are not happening, there is a problem. You want to change your privacy settings so you can receive friend requests from everyone. And if you've ever opted out of Messenger, I know there's a way to do that. It's actually kind of complicated, but I have tried to message people and it has basically given me a message back that they don't do that. They don't do Messenger. You want to do Messenger, okay? If some weirdo messages you, guess what? You delete it and report them, and then that's that, okay? It is not as scary as people think. If somebody friend requests you that you don't know and they seem like a bot or a weirdo, you can say no. All right. But let's say somebody friend requests you and they are your perfect customer. They are, for me, it's like a female in her 50s, looking for a beauty consultant. Why in the world would I not accept that friend request? Anywhere in the United States. I can actually, anywhere in the world, but I can only sell in the United States. These are opportunities given to you and who knows how many opportunities you've already missed. Like people that think, like, oh, Facebook, it hasn't really helped me with my business. Are you set up so that it can? Many of you are not. And it's not your fault. I do get that because when we first got our Facebook accounts, maybe you weren't in sales yet, or you didn't really understand what you were doing, or something changed, or a setting changed. That happens too, where sometimes Facebook land changes your setting. It goes back to the default setting, and that's not what's ideal for you, a person in business. So I've learned a lot about social media. I learned especially a lot about Facebook. That is how I really launched my online presence. So I have so much insight into this, and I would love for you to, at the very least, check out the landing page, the sales page for the course that I'm talking about. It's called Fast Track to Facebook Success. It will just itemize what it is that course covers, and see if that is something that you are interested in, because I know it would help a whole lot of you. But even just this little video right here should get you on the right path. All right. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you learned, and be sure to subscribe to Boss Babes Online so we can stay connected and keep finagling until we get all of your social media platforms set up, optimized for your business success. I believe in you.